Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your best curbside deals at Walgreens from the week of September the 7th to the 13th. What a curbside deal means is you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, putting in your order, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as your curbside pickup. A lot of you have been having issues with digital coupons not coming off in the store. This is the workaround to get these deals to work for you. And in case you missed it, yesterday I have a video of the best deals in store with Register Rewards, which are those paper coupons. I will link this video at the very end. Go and check it out. And I know that they pulled the Purex rebate on IBOTTA very quickly, but it might show up later in the week. Sometimes they do that where they'll release 5,000 on a Sunday and then release another 5,000 on a Wednesday, Thursday, or maybe even a Friday morning. So hang on to your receipts. If it reappears, I'll let you guys know right away. Before we get into the nitty gritty, if you could please do me a huge kindness and boost this video and give it a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Really helps out the channel and the video if you could take a second and like the video so it doesn't end up in Siberia, which is really cold this time of the year. Okay, let's hop right into it with deal number one. This one is, I know a lot of you really enjoy these drinks. It is called the Alani Witch's Brew. It's some sort of energy drink. I've never even tried one of these, so I don't know if this is the one that everybody's going crazy for and they're like, oh my gosh, it's like a caramel candy apple. I'm not even sure, but you guys can let me know in the comments down below. $1.49, so grabbing 7 of them, it's $10.43. And where I had to order it from, because it wasn't here in Michigan, have to pay tax. So $11.29. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it. You're paying $1.29 for your favorite drink. And if you are in Michigan, say somewhere south of this, like near Detroit or Kalamazoo, south, not north, maybe they carry this. I don't think they carry it up north, so that's why we're not getting it. But for 7 of these drinks, I would put in a curbside order before they get cleared in store. Obviously, it might be an issue where they just put this on clearance at 50% off on the website, but it's full price in store, which I'm thinking it is. The next deal that we're looking at is for all the parents out there, and it is the Walgreens diapers and wipes. So these are 2 for $15, and there is a $1 off coupon that you have to load. Just go right below this item and just load it. For the brevity of this video, I'm not showing every single coupon just to make it shorter. And then you're getting a bag of wipes for free. So how lovely is that? And it just comes off automatically. Unfortunately for this one, you can't use a discount code like WAG10 or anything like that. I could not get that to go, but maybe you'll have better luck than I. But $2 is coming off, so that is something. And I think this is an online exclusive offer, guys. So $15 for the 2 bags, subtracting $2, tax, $13.78. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $3.78 for 2 bags of diapers and a bag of wipes, very good deal. Even if you're going to a baby shower, I think that's a really nice buy. And yeah, it's like what mom-to-be wouldn't want 2 bags of diapers and some wipes. It's very thoughtful. Okay, so now we're looking at deal number 3, and this one is kind of like last deal, but just a little bit different. So we're going to be grabbing 4 of these Walgreens generic triple blade razors for $1.99. There's a $1 off coupon, which is one of those IVC coupons, which is a Walgreens coupon, and it's attaching to each, so that's like $4 coming off. If you could track it down, grab 6 bags of the Walgreens wipes, and that'll be $13.74. And we have that $1 coupon, which will take an additional $6 off, so it basically makes it BOGO free. And then the Palmolive, we're just going to throw one of those in, and there's a $1 digital to go with that, so just load that. It'll be $2.49. So just to show you guys the chorus line, Palmolive, the Walgreens disposable, the Walgreens wipes, and then for this one, you can actually use the code WAG10 for an additional $1.22 of savings. Just to show you guys this, $23.19, $11.20 melting off. That's exactly what we're talking about free curbside pickup, the $1 for the Palmolive. The new total is $11.71. If you have $10 in Walgreens cash, use $10, pay $1.71, and call this a super smart deal. Especially, again, razors and baby wipes, both things that most of us would want in our stockpile. Definitely a great deal to stock up on. And with the code WAG10, extra savings, so I would definitely try to do this curbside. Last two deals that we're looking at are with this, it's earn a $10 reward when you spend $25, and it's on various beauty products. This is valid right till the 27th, so this is this week's deals, and this is a multi-use as well. So if you're like, I already used it last week, you can use it more than once. So just make sure you have it clipped. And if you do not like the items that I'm choosing, just look for products in the beauty sphere that has the spend 20 on select beauty, earn back 10. So this writing exactly as stated. Okay, so for this first deal, we need our friend loaded, and we're going to really go big with this. So the 10 back when you spend 25, plus the 10 back when you spend 45. So for this transaction, we are going to be grabbing $45 of beauty care, and I know for a lot of you that is like really cool. The first item is this L'Oreal Revitalift for $29.99. And we have a $10 digital coupon, so like that's terrific that we have such a high value coupon for this product. And then we're also going to grab 6 of these Walgreens, it's like a Q-tip or cotton swab for $20.94. I know some stores you can actually get the Q-tip brand. Unfortunately, I could not track them down around here. They were all sold out. But just to show you, using the code WAG10, you get an additional $4.09 off, so that's not bad, plus the $10 for the L'Oreal coupon. So that's also quite fantastic. Now, just to look at this, guys, the overall total is $50.93. And we have $4.09 melting off. So the total here is still $46.84. So we're still in business to use both boosters with that breakdown. So subtract 50 from that, and I'm still at $45. $10 digital melting off. With your debit card, you're going to pay $39.65, and you're getting back $21.65 in Walgreens cash. And that is something that we call not a bad deal. For 6 Q-tips, or the generic Q-tips, and then the Revitalift, I mean, it's absolutely fantastic. And if you are like brand loyal to Q-tip, check if your Q-tips are part of the spend 25, earn back 10 in beauty. Final deal that we're looking at is deal number 5, and this one is just the 10 back when you spend 25. So just a really easy deal, just with some newer coupons as well. So the first, we're going to grab 2 of these NYX makeup butter gloss. These have been around forever. And we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. Please make sure you load it. That isn't only for you, so not everybody gets the same coupons, but if you buy a lot of makeup, you probably have that one. And then the Neutrogena makeup remover towelettes. We have a 4 off 2 digital, and that's $15.98 for 2 bags of those makeup wipes. And they're just even fantastic to have in your purse if you're running around, you just need to freshen up. So just to show you, Neutrogena taking 4 off, the code WAG10 taking an additional $1.90 off. So doing this curbside just a little bit better. And then that NYX Cosmetics taking the 5 off of 2. So that is quite fantastic. The overall total is $27.96, subtracting $1.90, so you are at $26.06. You're still at that $25 threshold. $9 in manufacturers melting off, so $18.62 you'll pay with your debit card, and then you're getting back $10. Not a bad little deal again. So guys, in case you missed it, yesterday's video is linked right here, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.